This is new. Hunkydory's card making collection is an exclusive 91-piece card making kit. It all comes in one box. Here's the box that it comes from. And here's what you get. It starts with this magazine. This is a 68-page magazine, and it is packed with, here I'm going to start turning into the pages, with 82 project ideas with instructions. Let's get into some of the places where you'll see the cards, you'll see the instructions, and it's going to be using the items that come with this kit, as well as card making techniques that are going to teach things from beginner to advanced. So this is really great for new and experienced crafters. There's a lot of really cute ideas in here and designs, things you can do with the stamps, with the cutting dies, and like I said, they're going to show you step by step how to do some of these techniques. So this is a really valuable magazine to have, and especially when you have the elements that they're going to use to make these items right here within the kit. You're getting, and let me scoot this over just a little bit, an 8-in-1, here we go, an 8-in-1 hanging basket cutting die. So let me first show you the back. So it's just one cutting die, but it cuts out separately, cuts out and embosses on areas of that basket all of these different little items, and you'll see each item that it cuts out is shown in a different color. So you've got that little hanger piece, you've got the basket, you have flowers separately and the greenery separately. 8 different cutting dies, and it all goes through in one pass, and that's going to be really fun to use. You're also getting 16 clear stamps. Let me see if I can put that, well, no, let's see, where did I go? There we go. Put it on something white so you can see. There we go. So these are really fun. It's all about gardening, and that's sort of what this is. Springtime and gardening. You're getting boots. You're getting tools like shovels, a watering can. With love, you get sentiments, seeds of friendship, bring flowers of joy. All things grow with love. Have a relaxing birthday. So this is really fun. I love the little pots, and you could put flowers on top of those. They have different flowers to go with that. So that's pretty fun. 16 clear stamps. You're also getting this embossing folder. Now, when I first looked at this embossing folder, the first thing I thought of, I have to say, was like a little outhouse. But when you see the examples in the book, they really are really cute. They're going to be able to make potting sheds with this, and I just thought that was a really great idea. Nice little embossing folder. And then we get into the collections, which are 2 exclusive card collections. You're getting 46 die cuts all together, and more than that too in here. You're getting cardstock as well. So it starts with A Gardener's World. These are silver foiled die cuts, and it is a really, really pretty artwork. And again, because it's Hunkydory, they all pop out, and they are nested layers, some of these, and they have silver foiling. So really beautiful, real pretty, stylistic kind of artwork there, very spring-like, and you're always getting sentiments and lots of different shapes. You're getting borders. So that's basically what the Gardener's World looks like, and you get a nice little gazebo, lots more sentiments, and lots more beautiful images. But you're also getting cardstock. With Gardener's World, you're getting 4 adorable scoreable sheets. Well, I'm just going to try to turn them sideways. Here we go. 4 adorable scoreable sheets look like this, and they are foiled. You get 2 foiled and 2 printed. So here are the foiled. You get a little bit of foil on the edging there. 2 of those with the foil, and then you get 2 printed without the foil. And you can use these for covering your cards. You can use these on scrapbook pages too. Those are great ideas. You're also getting 2 double-sided papers, so you're getting printing on the front and on the back, 2 double-sided, and you get 4 printed papers. Now these are really a lightweight color. They're meant for the inside of your card. They're called inserts, and you can cut them apart, you can use them in pieces, and you get 4 of those as well, and they're going to match the imagery with that first set, A Gardener's World. The second exclusive card collection set is Plant a Little Happiness. So it's the same theme, but it's a different look. This is a little bit more realistic looking with the watercolor look. Again, it's got nested, and this one has gold foiling. All of the other things you would expect to see, embellishments, tags, sentiments. Beautiful Garden is a work of heart. Homegrown with love. So always fun sentiments, and you're going to be able to use those sentiments world round. So you're getting 2 sheets. Altogether, you're getting 46 die cuts in this kit. So you're going to have enough die cuts to make quite a few cards. And then you get 4 adorable scoreable, 2 gold, gold foiled, so you're seeing that gold foiling on there, and 2 printed. And sometimes you get borders, sometimes you get things like across the bottom that looks like the side of the potting shed we talked about. And then you're getting again 2 double-sided papers, so you're getting colors that are going to match everything that you're seeing there. And you're getting, oh look, little boot prints, that's great. And then you're getting 4 printed papers. Again, these are the insert papers, so they are lighter in color and they're perfect for going on the inside of your card, and you get 4 of those. So that's quite a bit, all for one kit. That's new for Hunkydory. 2 card collections, stamps, cutting dies, an embossing folder, and really an invaluable magazines with techniques you're going to be able to use again and again.